Psychic energy class is a wonderful class. Removes all the negative energies, gives us a lot of positive energy. Please do practice this meditation every day and also send me the feedback. It will create wonderful changes in your life. So go ahead now. I would like to hear from all.
Iti this side.
Yes, Iti.
Yeah, I was waiting for this class. Last time I spoke to you for counseling, you had mentioned me that psychic energy class would be good for you, and I felt very light, and it was a very blissful experience. Somewhat I felt I was floating at the end of it. It's awesome. I have
Good,
no
good.
words.
Very nice, very nice. I'm so happy to hear that, Iti. Good. All the best. My blessings. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Right.
Guruji, I have attended this meditation in person, and I could feel the same energy today attending it live.
Okay.
And what I would want to share about this meditation is, having attended already, is this is one of the powerful meditations, Guruji. It has really helped, and we could feel the power of it as we keep doing it. Maybe in a day or two, it cannot be realized, but psychic energy is something which we could experience when we keep practicing, Guruji. Thank you so much. I could feel the same energy today, Guruji.
Wonderful, wonderful. Thanks so much for sharing, Suganya. It was really very nice of you. Thank you so much, and all the best.
Guruji.
Blessings. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Thank
right.
you.
I had written to you about the problem which I was having with my neighbor.
Okay.
So once I did this hill meditation, I was feeling very good. So I hope I can continue to do, and I'll definitely give my feedback on this.
Yes, please do write to me.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. And after doing that psychic energy meditation, I felt usually, as I told earlier, only after started to doing this alpha meditation, I'm regularly doing meditation, but I could do it only during the night time because my office bus comes around 6:15 in the morning. So that's why I keep on asking that if I could do these meditation while traveling.
Okay.
So that is one.
Yeah, if you're traveling for a long time and you feel that you will not be disturbed by anybody, you can use earphones and do the meditation. It may not give you the same experience as you did now when you're sitting in a room and doing. But still, if you do not find time otherwise, then it's okay. At least do it that way, right?
No, I feel I keep that alpha mudra and listen to some om chanting, and
you can do the meditation also, no problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Right.
I'm able to focus more on the meditation these days, but this meditation gave me more focus than usual. So I feel really, otherwise it is very difficult for me to meditate.
Okay. So you try this psychic energy, you will see the difference, and do let me know. Okay.
Sure, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Okay. Right. Very good.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Yes.
Ma'am, I just got to know about this psychic energy meditation. So as you also mentioned that when you comes under psychic attack, so you can't be able to focus on meditation. So like for past 1 week, I realized that I could not focus. Maybe like I was somewhat ill, like due to weather change. I don't know. I can't guess. Or maybe due to my mobile phone, sometimes I may consume negative energy, like negative content. So I followed this now. So I also able to analyze the sources of the negative energy. So like I could curb that away. So yeah, it's quite helpful, ma'am. And thank you, ma'am. It's quite effective. It's different from the normal meditation.
Yeah, please practice this meditation every day. Even if you're not able to go to a deep level, just listen to it at least once daily. And slowly you will come out of this, whatever negative energy that you're experiencing. You will see the change, definitely. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, Raghav. All the best. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thanks. Okay.
Guruji, this is Sudha from Salem.
Okay.
While we doing that hill meditation, something is releasing from my body. I feel that it's very powerful meditation. So I request all for the psychic energy, please get this class for each and everyone.
Yeah,
I really
very
enjoyed this
yeah.
good meditation. Really enjoyed it, Guruji. Thank you. Thank you for
so much. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Sudha. Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, it's
The
good.
meditation was so powerful, ma'am. Guruji.
Okay,
I
okay.
like. And I could not concentrate. Some negative energy was following through, but now I can do this meditation and I will get the full achievement in all meditations. But
Very
how to complete the Kundalini and Sri Vidya cell glow, all I have done. How
Okay.
to follow this all meditation, I can't.
You should, allot a particular, each day you can do one meditation. And if you can do twice a day, then one in the morning and one in the evening. That is how you can keep in touch with all the meditations. Once you have done many of our classes, there's quite a lot to practice. But if psychic energy is new to you, then I would suggest that you do this at least for maybe 2 weeks, till all the energy changes. Then you start doing the other meditations also whenever you can.
Kundalini also I can do, no?
Kundalini, you do not have to do separately. If you have practiced it for a few days, that's enough. You can incorporate it in any of our meditations. Like in psychic energy, once we bring in Shiva and Shakti and make them sit on the chakras, immediately the Kundalini will rise. If you think about it, that is enough. You don't have to do a separate meditation for it. Just keep it Jagrat. Yes. All the best. Thank you. Blessings.
I have a question too, ma'am. But before I start with my question, I would like to thank you for this opportunity. Actually, I've been waiting for a long time to attend this course, in person or online. Even online, nobody should disturb, so on and so forth. So we have a family and so many, an only lady at home. So anyway, by God's grace, I was able to attend this completely without any disturbance. And since and
excellent,
thanks
excellent.
for giving me a break also. That 10-minute break was a real relief for me.
Okay.
And one question is there. So my son is a fresher and he is going to join CTS by this Tuesday. So
Okay.
can I? So what can I do for his? He's going to begin his career. So what can I do through my meditation for him? That is one thing. And one more thing, he is also preparing for BITS exam and GATE exam. So this is going to be his second attempt. So this time, if he gets into BITS, it would be a real thing. So it will be a game changer for him.
Yeah.
So what can I do? Please let me know.
See, you can meditate and have you done our basic class?
Yes, 2 levels I've done. Yes, I'm one of your earliest students.
Okay. So in that case, you can do even psychic energy. When you do at the end of it, you will still be in alpha level. So you can shower colors on your son and you can visualize that he has got through this exam and got his admission also and he's studying there. That will be the end result, that he's already joined there and he's studying. That way, if you visualize, I think it will take care of the whole thing.
Yes.
Okay. All the best. Thank you so much. Right. Okay. Bye.
Guruji, in this you have mentioned involuntary psychic attacks mainly. I came in this session. You have mentioned mainly involuntary psychic attacks. And I'm thankful for that. That I could realize that I was really attacked by these kinds of involuntary psychic attacks. That I was really do not know about it, but why I'm getting affected mentally every day. I was depressed and I was really felt bad and I was really tired lot of time every day. I mean, for several years. But once I attend this class, I began to realize that the person wanted psychic attacks. And thanks for that. I will try to.
Please do practice. Yeah, definitely. And let me know that feedback, how you feel after practicing. Please do let me know.
And also, I just try to brief it. I was here for 32 years, and once we came here, my family all completely attacked, completely.
You live on Tiara?
Okay. Okay. Practice this. It will definitely help you. Okay.
Yeah, we don't have any problems.
Okay. All right. All the best. Blessings.
Thank you.
Right.
Thank you.
Okay. So thank you, very much, everybody. The psychic energy class is a class I look forward to because it's very interesting. The whole subject is very interesting and the meditation is so very powerful. You should practice this often, and please do let me know your feedback also. You can write an email to me, amp@alphamindpower.net, because I would like to know how it created changes in your life. Because right now, immediately after the class, many of you may not know what to say, but when you practice, you will have a lot to say. So please do write to me, and I wish you all a lot of positive energy. Thank you very much for joining us today. Thank you. Bye.